Yeah, guys, we are doing what we call now termination. This is called double pole breakers. And double pole, what the work of double pole is like, it works like a main switch. We have here an engineer Sablon. Tunaona anafanya kazi mzuri hapa. Tunajaribu kuconnect nyumba na hii ni inaitwa circuit breaker. We have various types of circuit breaker here. We have 63 amps, we have 32, we have 20, and we have 16. So the circuit breaker at 32, it will serve on cooker and shower. We have 20 amperes that will serve on sockets, and we have 16 that will serve for lights.
Yes.
So we are on the field doing what we call terminations. Feel free, enjoy watching us. Like, subscribe on my YouTube, social media. I've called Mzee Brian, TikTok, Facebook.